Hello friends, Namaskara. In today's video, we are going to learn about some of the addition tricks that will help us to do the addition in the exam without pen and paper. This will be very helpful in the exam for the DI section and also for number series. Let's start the session with single digit addition. You have to be thorough in single digit addition as sometimes we fumble while calculating even single digit addition. Take for example 9 plus 5, 14, 6 plus 3, 9, 8 plus 7, 15, 6 plus 2, 8, 7 plus 6, 13, 8 plus 4, 12. You need to calculate single digit addition in this way in seconds. If you find it difficult, kindly practice daily so that the single digit calculation becomes handy. Now let's move on to double digit addition with single digit. This is the basic step with which we do double digit addition later. So now let's learn double digit and single digit addition. 64 plus 8, that is 72. 57 plus 6, 63. 73 plus 8, 81. 82. Sorry, 81. 84 plus 7, 91. 62 plus 6, 68. 74 plus 3, 77. Before getting into pure double digit addition, let's practice some of the easy double digit addition. 50 plus 30, 80. 40 plus 70, 110. 80 plus 60, 140. 70 plus 50, 120. 30 plus 20, 50. Now let's move on to double digit addition, which is very important for DI, number series and most of the quantitative aptitude. In these type of double digit additions, you have to split the second double digit number. For example, for 64 plus 26, you have to split the second number into 20 plus 6. For 64, we will add 6 first, that is 70, and then we will add 20 to that number. 70 plus 20, that is equal to 90. In this way, we can do the addition without the help of pen and paper. If you go with the conventional addition, 64 plus 26, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 carry over 1, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. If you do this type of conventional addition without writing, our brain cannot remember two numbers at a time. That is 0 and the carry over 1, and you have to add the tens digit and then you have to add the carry over. So doing the addition in this way, you can do the addition orally without the help of the pen and paper. So 64 plus 6, 70, 70 plus 20, 90. 34 plus 7, 41, 41 plus 20, 61. 54 plus 2, 56, 56 plus 30, 86. 38 plus 4, 42, 42 plus 60, 102. 72 plus 7, 79. 79 plus 80, 159. You do not require even to repeat that 80. Just add tens number, that is 8. Take for example 83 plus 2, 85. For 85, for the tens digit 8, you have to add 4, that is 125. Kindly practice it daily. It will be very helpful in the exam. Now let's practice the same with the DI. This DI, they have given total exports of 6 countries over 5 years. Let's take the sum of this column. 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 45, 145, 145, 205, 205, 209, 229. 40 plus 25, 65, 65, 70, 120, 120, 180, 180, 230, 230, 270, 60, 75, 145, 165, 170, 220, 220, 280, 40, 55, 95, 185, 190, 200, 300, 370. 90 plus 100, 190, 255, 260, 280, 280, 380, 390, 390, 490, 510. Let's do the addition in the row. 40 plus 20, 60, 60, 60, 120, 120, 165, 165, 265, 255. 30 plus 25, 55, 55, 60, 70, 70, 120, 120, 220. 50 plus 55, 105, 105, 175, 175, 265, 265, 270, 330. 45, 105, 105, 125, 125, 130, 140, 140, 165, 60, 50, 110, 110, 165, 265, 365, 375. 24, 40, 64, 64, 124, 124, 129, 129, 199, 199, 200, 320, 390. In this way, you can practice by taking many DIs. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is 3-digit addition. While doing 3-digit addition, you have to split the number, that is 438 and 564, into 3 parts. For example, 438 into 400 plus 30 plus 8 and 564 into 500 plus 60 plus 4. That means you need not to write that number as 400 plus 30 plus 8. You just have to imagine that number as 400 plus 30 plus 8, and you start adding 400 with 500, that is 900, and 30 plus 60, that is 90, 990, and 8 plus 4, that is 12. 990 plus 12, 1002, 1002. Just a second. So adding 400 plus 500, 900, 30 plus 60, 90, 990, and 8 plus 4, 12. That is 1002. Let's do the addition for this number. 600 plus 700, 1300, 80 plus 50, 130, 1430, 1430 plus 10, 1440. In this way, you can do the 3-digit addition faster without the help of pen and paper. Now let us practice 2-digit addition with some more examples. You can practice by writing the numbers in a circle like this or like this. Let's practice here. 46 plus 37, 46 plus 7, 53, 53, 53, 83, 83 plus 4, 87, 167, 167 plus 3, 117, 260, 262, 292, 292, 299, 349, 349, 351, 421, 421, 425, 425, 505, 505, 508, 568. So the sum is 568. Now let's verify it by starting from 84, 84, 87, 90, 80, 177, 177, 179, 209, 209, 316, sorry, 216, 266, 266, 268, 338, 338, 342, 338, 342, 422, 422 plus 3, 425, 425 plus 60, 485, 485, 491, 491, 531, 531, 538, 538, 568. So the sum is same. You can practice this by writing the numbers in this way or in this way, and this will help immensely in the calculation in exams. These two will be a homework. Kindly comment the answer. Thank you.